Hey, I think these are really a must for any kitchen. These are silicone trivets for putting on hot pans, pots, and cooking sheets. All right, so these silicone trivets come in different shapes. I have the square and the circle one here. I'd like to show you up close. Very pliable, very easy. It has this little hole here so that you can hang it. And you can kind of see it has this like little egg crate shape to it. So it allows the heat to evenly distribute and escape. So easy to clean, great to have. So if you have a hot pot, you don't want to set it right down on top of your granite and your countertops. You could set these right on here. It helps vent out a lot of that heat. Another really great use for it is pulling out your baking sheets. You can even put a couple of these together. Put it right down on there so that you don't ruin your countertops, your tables, and things of that nature. You well know on a real wood table, you definitely do not want to be setting anything hot. You'll get those white marks on your wood. So one of these silicone trivets will help protect your wood when setting a pot or a hot plate of anything of that nature on the table. And you can see even with this steaming hot pot, I can set it right on top of this trivet and it'll keep you from ruining your counters.